Today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of manual stick welding two vertical and horizontal metal plates. This setup is known as the 3G welding position, and it's an essential skill for anyone working in welding or metal fabrication. We'll be using an Kaynak 56S electrode with a current setting between 90 and 100 amps. The electrode is 2.5 millimeters in diameter, which makes it a great choice, especially if you're just getting started. For this demo, we're using the Z weave technique. That means we move the electrode in a zigzag pattern, slowly upward. At each stop, we pause briefly to allow the molten metal to settle and build a solid weld bead. Here are a few important things to remember. If you move too fast, the weld will be weak and lack penetration. If you move too slowly, you risk burning through the metal. Once we finish the weld, we clean off the slag using a chipping hammer and a wire brush. Then we inspect the bead. It should be straight and even, free of porosity, cracks, and spatter. Now, when welding in the vertical position, your focus should be on electrode angle and movement technique. Hold the electrode at about a 45-degree downward angle and work your way from the bottom up. In this tutorial, you've seen how to approach vertical and horizontal stick welding with the right technique, proper setup, and attention to detail. If you want to improve your welding skills, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. And remember, practice makes perfect. Every clean weld starts with steady hands and solid habits.